best practices for error handling and troubleshooting in Power BI data migration. We know that data is king when it comes to financial management, and Power BI is the superhero of data analytics. But hey, even superheroes have their challenges, right? Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of Power BI data migration with Fusion CPA's guide to best practices for troubleshooting and error handling. Let's address common errors encountered during Power BI data migration. Problems with data. Accurate financial reporting is imperative for compliance and monitoring a company's financial health. Discrepancies during migration can lead to inaccurate and inconsistent reports. Ensuring data cleanliness, validation, and uniform formatting before migration is essential. Additionally, thorough testing of data models can identify and resolve issues, preventing inaccuracies in reports. Connection and integration issues. Network errors, authentication issues, and incorrect connection strings can hinder Power BI's access to data. Compatibility issues with APIs or different data structures can complicate integration with other systems. Correcting connection details and ensuring proper network configuration are crucial to avoiding delays for the finance team. Performance issues. Data migration involving large datasets can lead to performance issues. Optimizing data models with proper indexing and streamlined DAX queries is vital. Addressing slow performance is essential to prevent delays in data loading and report generation. Ensuring timely decision-making. Proactive strategies for error prevention. Number 1. Planning and strategy. Begin by clearly defining migration objectives and selecting relevant metrics. Understanding Power BI components and potential data transformations is crucial. Ensure licenses are up to date, including user allowances and available features. Number 2. Data integrity. Meticulous data modeling and validation, coupled with proper formatting, are key elements. Backing up data before migration safeguards against unforeseen issues during conversions or reformatting. Number 3. Thorough testing. Conduct rigorous testing to ensure successful data migration. Running several Power BI tests before deploying them to production helps confirm their completeness and accuracy. Number 4. Documented procedures. Document procedures to guide the team through the migration process. Include information from training sessions for effective system utilization. Let's explore specific techniques for resolving issues in Power BI data migration. Number 1. Data discrepancies. Automated tools such as schema comparison, data profiling, ETL testing, and data quality tools can rectify data discrepancies. Reviewing data visualization code in Power BI ensures proper functionality. Number 2. Performance issues. External issues like poor network connectivity can cause slow performance. Ensure the use of high-performance servers and updated hardware. Employ techniques like reducing data migration volume, using folding queries, or incremental loading for optimization. Number 3. Connectivity problems. Verify connection details, firewall settings, and network configurations to address connectivity problems. Power BI provides various tools for troubleshooting. The Microsoft Power BI support page is available for further assistance. Consulting industry experts like Fusion CPA can provide valuable guidance and support. If you require advice or assistance with Power BI data migration, consider scheduling a discovery call with one of our CPAs at Fusion CPA.